Hello there, I am Tugus Tuzaru. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'll continue here today's lesson with Microsoft's other Office package, which is Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Presentation software is a tool used to create visual presentations. Every software are designed for a specific task. It's on how usage. For the case of preparing a document, we use Word. For the case of calculation based, we use Excel, and for the case of presentations, we use PowerPoint or presentation software. It is a tool used to create visual presentations. These presentations are usually delivered in a slideshow format. Just there is a working area in this presentation software. The working area is a slide. Therefore, these presentations are usually delivered in a slideshow format and can be created with a variety of programs. The programs make it possible to combine text and graphics elements to convey important information to a group of people all at once. In case of presentation, as an implies, we have, in case of having a chance to present a presentation for specific workers in a specific organization or audiences, we necessarily use this software to prepare a presentation. Says presenting or conveying important information to a group of people all at once. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software that is used to create on-screen slideshows, overhead projector slides, audience handouts, and speakers notes. It's a part of Microsoft Office suite of software. Here, Microsoft PowerPoint, it is a software under presentation software. It is a presentation software used to create on-screen slideshows. There is a working area which is a slide. A slide helps us to present a presentation using slideshows. Parallelly, we must have overhead projector, means a slide projector can be used or other type of output device is used. It can be also televisions, can be connected with a computer to present a presentation. In case of hardware, we must have a speaker also. We may present video also using this software. Not only combining text and graphics, possible to prepare a video, and we can present a video for audiences. PowerPoint is the most widely used presentation software. We have a variety of software. For the case of word processing, we use Microsoft Word. For the case of spreadsheet software, we use Microsoft Excel. For the case of presentation software, we use PowerPoint. It is the most widely used presentation software. How can we start this program? Just the start menu, simply type PO. It displays PowerPoint. PowerPoint with icon P. Or using run command, window key plus letter R at the same time on the keyboard. Then type POWE here. Power POWER PNT PowerPoint without space or gaps. Even okay. It starts the presentation software. When we start the program, there are features. Always, when you start any program, you have to make yourself familiar with the window feature of that particular program. Under presentation software, there are ribbons. There are ribbons. Here are the ribbons. The ribbons are list of commands under each tab. Under Home tab, there are list of commands. Under Insert tab, there are list of commands. Under Design, there are list of commands. In every of types, there are list of commands. They called ribbons. Therefore, here is a working area. By default, we have a slide. A single slide when we start Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a working area. It is called a slide. By default, we have this working area. In case of Microsoft Word, there is a document and a page. Under a document, there is a page, a working area page. And in case of Excel, there is a sheet, working area, and here a title bar consists of the name of program, Microsoft PowerPoint, with the name of file, which is presentation. A file created with this software, PowerPoint, is presentation. There are views. Just try to view under view tab. There are normal view, reading view. For instance, the reading view is like this. Normal view, without line view, slide sorter, normal. View is appropriate for the case of creating a slide. Create the title slide. To create a title slide, click the placeholder or text box and type in your essays. For instance, here is a placeholder. We call it placeholder. We have two placeholders here. The placeholder text box that helps you to insert text, graphics, a video or any object. Click essays you. My presentation. My first. Or prepared by, for instance, Mr. Finished here. Save your presentation, it says. Always when we save means store. One characteristics of computer system, computer is store. Saves for later use. It's possible to give and save for later use. Just it may not be difficult. Under file menu, save and give the name for that file. Say presentation 1. You can create a folder, for instance. Create a folder and presentation PowerPoint. PowerPoint can be stored under this folder. PowerPoint works. Presentation 1. Then you can continue preparing your slides. The F5 key, for instance, on the keyboard there is a escape key and F5. Functional keys F1 to F12. F5 helps you to present the present. For instance, here it hides all the working area of whichever all this software and it starts presentation. If you are using a presentation with a slide projector, after connecting the device, you can present like this, and by clicking, you can move from one slide to the next easily. Therefore, the use of F5 key is the same to on tab slideshow from beginning. The same functions. And in case of escape, to return back the working area. On the keyboard there is ESC key, which is escape key. To return back to the working area, you can press escape key. By default, I have prepared a single slide. How can we create a next slide, add a new slide? To add a new slide to your presentation, open Home tab. Under Home tab, there is a new slide. Under Home tab, new slide. Just what will the layout? Title and slide, title and content, for instance. Click here, computer system. Then you can insert the picture here or video or other types, some picture. For instance, image can be inserted like this. Title with picture. Image can be easily inserted. It can be the image that is inserted using a scanner, or it is downloaded or created using other software, can be inserted under insert tab. And the same to screenshot. For instance, create a new slide, blank. For instance, on the blank area you can insert screenshot. For instance, screen clipping. For instance, if you want to insert this area, selecting, it inserts. If you want from the desktop, you have to minimize this area and you can prepare this place. Then open the software, screenshot, screen clocking. It is ready now. You can capture and release. It is inserted the picture like this to your presentation. Designing a slide. Just if we have this slide, how can we make it attractive? To me, when we present a presentation, it's not important to present use a default color like this. The default color is background white and the font color black. It's possible to change the design, for instance. Format background. Just you can format. For instance, here are the texture types. Can change. Selecting the slide. The third one. Can be applied like this. And the same to the, you can make it bold. You can increase the size also. You can change the font style. Here also. The other features that helps you to make is using animation. There is transition and animations. The transition is the type of motion that is applied when we move from one slide to the next. And animation is helps you to apply objects on the slide. Objects on the slide. A motion type that is applied for objects on the slide. Here, for the case of the slide, selecting a slide, choose motion type, applied. For the case of objects on the slide, animation, live on. Then the second text placeholder. You can apply like this for the picture. Now save it for a slideshow from beginning. You have to click, 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 click again, click to move from one object to the next, from one slide to the next. The other is how can we create additional things. For instance, it's possible to insert a blank slide like this. After inserting a slide, possible to delete using right click. You can delete. You can insert a new slide. You can duplicate also. You can duplicate, for instance, deleting. Just duplicating. Right click, duplicate. It is duplicated the slide as you have seen. And you can change the layout, for instance, into blank. And you can delete this object. Then text box here. You can type your own text here. Computer. Right click here, or here you can apply bullet. Then enter. Computer, hardware, the two components of computer system. Then selecting, you can make it bold, you can duplicate, for instance, if you want. Control, holding down the control key, you can duplicate. You can duplicate once and once again. Just you have to use your skills properly, and you can prepare well attractive presentations when you create a presentation. The other thing is you can reorder your presentations using view here. Slide sorter. A slide sorter helps you to, as before presenting your presentation, you can order, for instance, move to the left, changing the order helps you. It comes to the first, you can change the order like this. Reorder the slides, and you can make it attractive by using design tab, transition, and animation tab. The three tabs helps you to make your presentation more attractive. And when you present your presentations, you can use mouse click, or after some moment, the duration it says. Have you seen the duration? You can apply the sound also. The duration. You can apply the duration of the time that the page of the slides can appear one after the other. Just not only here, it's possible to present also a video. Just let me add here title and content, video, work offline. Choose the video. If you have a video, just you can, for instance, possible to present a video in your presentations. As you have seen, just let me here present slide. Just here, computer, the video title. From the current. Then click on this. Now it is started.
Hello there, I am Tugustu Zarion. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I will continue the grade 7.
Like this. This is all about the important Office package, PowerPoint. Thank you.